What's up, YouTube? Remember this thing? It's my RC Pro Shredder 1/12 scale brushless bad boy. Alright, first run of 2020. Got the Firefly Q6 on top of this thing. Let's do it, guys. Let's go, Shredder. It's been a while. This thing, guys, is ridiculously fast, as you guys can see. This thing is nuts, man. Not many people know of it. Got this in Canada. Ridiculously fast, man. Ran this on 3S last year. Wow. Look at that. Crazy. I love this thing. This is that parking lot that doesn't have much room. RC Pro Shredder. Crazy. I like the size of it too, man. Not too huge, not too small. I'm not even going full throttle, guys. Let's go lower here. Look at this thing. Yeah, one of my favorites, man. Thought I'd take this out for, a little spring run. It's been cooped up in the house, sitting on the shelf all winter, Yeah, huge battery on this thing. Look at that. That's about half throttle right there. Alright guys, that's the Shredder, man. See you guys on the next video. Later.